So good morning, chaffinches. This is maths for Thursday the 7th of January. This time we are ordering fractions. So we're already on Tuesday we looked at simple fractions where you could use a fraction wall. On Wednesday we used comparing two different fractions, which one was bigger. And today we are looking at three fractions, all within the same family. And we are now going to try and order them from smallest, I believe, to largest. Okay, so we will always start with the smallest fraction and we will work our way up to the largest fraction. Now I believe you'll be looking at quarters, you'll be looking at fifths, and you'll be looking at eighths. I'm going to model looking at sixths again today. Okay, so if we look at the fractions, we've got 2 sixths, we've got 5 sixths, and we've got 3 sixths. I need then to order those according to which is the smallest and end up with the largest. And again, 6 represents the 6 equal squares I have. The number on the top, the numerator, tells me how many of those squares I need to colour in. Okay, so simply if we work along this, 2 6 means I need to colour in 2 squares. That's what 2 6 represents. 5 6 means I need to colour in 5 squares. And 3 6 means I need to colour in 3 squares. Oh, not that one. Stop there, Mr. Evans. Okay, so if we visually look at that, which one has more boxes coloured in or more squares coloured in? I believe you can see it's 5 6. So this one is the largest of the fractions. Looking at the next two, excuse my mistake, okay, 2 6 or 3 6, which one is the smallest, i.e. which fraction has got the least number of squares coloured in, i.e. it's got the smallest numerator. So again, you can look at the numerator kind of to help you. So you know, hopefully, that 2 is less than 3, which is less than 5. So the numerator will tell you which order they come in. Okay, so 2 6 is the smallest fraction, 5 6 is the largest, and 3 6 is going to be our middle value. So if I was to write those out in terms of smallest to largest, I will start with my 2 6, I will then put a comma in, then I will write 3 6 and a comma, and my largest fraction is 5 6. Okay, if you use this as an example, you can't go wrong. Okay, but if you're really thinking about how you can use the most efficient way, hint, look at the numerator. It might tell you which is the smallest, which is the largest, and which might come in the middle. I believe you have 3 fractions per family to work out. So you will have a smallest, you have a largest, and you'll have one that fits in the middle. Okay, and again, you're going to be looking at quarters, fifths, and eighths. And I think I might have even included a fraction wall just to help you so that you can colour in the appropriate squares and see for yourself which one is the smallest fraction, which one is the largest fraction, and which one goes in the middle, i.e. is the middle value when you are comparing fractions in terms of their size. Okay, best of luck with that, and I believe Mrs. Nicholson will give you some lessons on Friday.